Title: General, broad overview meaning. Today, let's explore the word general. General is an adjective that describes something that is widespread, not specific or detailed. It's a term used to provide a broad overview or summary of a subject. Pronunciation. Pronouncing general is simple, ģenerāl, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, a general understanding of a topic is essential before diving into its specific details. Importance. General information or knowledge serves as a foundation upon which we can build a deeper and more specific understanding of a subject. It helps us make sense of complex concepts. Conclusion. In summary, general is a word that aids us in getting a big picture of things before we delve into specifics. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, continue to appreciate the value of general knowledge in your learning journey.